What is up, party people? If you have been here before, you know that I get severely hungover, especially when I'm in Las Vegas. But I know that you are here for one thing and one thing only. And before we get into the details, just in case you haven't been here before, here's where our hangover kit came from, day one of our April 2023 vlog with our wonderful friends, Hangovers and Handpays. I made hangover kits for the four of us, so everybody has one of these. It's going to be backwards on your screen, whatever. Hangover kit, what happens in Vegas. So anyways, you've seen us last May try and do like different hangover things. Well, this time I did more research and I brought my own stuff. So they have their little pamphlet here. It says Chris and Jolene's hangover kit to keep us going on our epic Vegas adventures. And inside this pamphlet has like everything they need to know about everything they're taking, like what order to take it in.
Doctor prescribed.
So I included like this. They have no idea this is happening either, by the way.
We'll see it in a bit.
So they have one of these. I got makeup wipes for Jolene because it is so hard to take off your makeup when you're drunk. I got some forehead like cooling patches, which I actually used one of mine on the plane because I had a headache. Under eye refreshers, and then the actual goods. So we have for tonight in the pre-party pack,
which I've been forced to take, so I just took off. Like, this is a lot of pills.
Yeah, so he took, yeah, and I took them too, obviously. Yeah. I test drove this a whole bunch of stuff last weekend at a cottage for my friend's birthday, and I wasn't hungover. So, but this is the real test.
This is it. This
is the pre-party pack. So these you take tonight, and then in the morning she's gonna put liquid IV, both of them, with these little electrolyte drops in water, and then they're gonna take the pills in the hangover pack. And I know that people are probably going to wonder what's all this is, but let's just wait and see if it actually works first before I let everyone know. But it's all vitamins, and I've given them everything that's in them, so they know what they're taking. And then obviously Tums, because like we need these, we're over 40. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so that's the hangover kit.
Are you hungover?
I am not hungover. I am not hungover. It is so great.
So I guess it worked.
It did.
That's awesome.
Woo! All right, let's get into it. I have never had a hangover preventative or a hangover remedy work for me in all my years of drinking. I have been severely hungover every single time, and most of the time lasts my entire trip in Vegas. So here's the pamphlet I put together for Chris and Jolene, myself, and Eddie. The first sheet was the Hangover Kit Quick Reference Sheet. In the pre-party pack, that's what you're going to take before you start drinking. You're going to take 1 vitamin B, 1 vitamin C, 1 zinc, 1 milk thistle, and then this is extremely important. Before you go to bed, with water and liquid IV or another electrolyte powder of your choice, you take 1 glutathione and 1 headache pill, just 1, to prevent the headache the next day. I took Excedrin extra strength, but it's up to you for your preference. Then the hangover pack is what you're going to take the next morning. So with water and liquid IV again, you're going to take again 1 vitamin B, 1 vitamin C, 1 glutathione, 1 zinc, 1 milk thistle, and if you have a headache, 2 headache pills, and if you feel nauseous, 1 or 2 Gravol if needed. I did not have to take the hangover pack every morning because I wasn't hungover at all. So sometimes I took the hangover pack just to make sure I was good for the day, but a lot of the time I didn't even have to take it. And just for a side note, this is for entertainment purposes only. I am not a doctor. I don't claim to have any kind of medical knowledge like that. This is just research I did online. And if you're ever thinking about taking anything and you're not sure, you should always consult a doctor. All right, the next thing is I put in some kit extras. I put makeup wipes in for Jolene and I because washing your face while you're drunk is hard. Sleeping eye masks to block the huge fireball in the sky. Under eye hydrating patches to look alive on the hardest of mornings. And cooling gel patches. Put these bad boys on your forehead while you're waiting for the meds to kick in. And my preference when I'm at home is I actually use peppermint essential oil and I put that on my forehead, but these cooling gel patches did the trick. Okay, and then from here, we're just going to show you what we had in the hangover kits. So the Rejuvenating Eye Mask, the cooling gel patches, the 500 milligram milk thistle, the vitamin B complex, and the 1000 milligram vitamin C, the 500 milligram glutathione, and the 50 milligram zinc. And then again, Excedrin extra strength is what I took, but it's totally your preference, whatever your favorite headache medicine would be. And Gravol ginger is what I had in there, but again, I didn't have to take it. Tums, as usual. I mean, everybody who's over 40 probably takes those. I mean, maybe not, but the people I know do. And then the liquid IV, I know you can get it in the US. I don't know about any of the other countries. Can't get it here in Canada, so I buy it while I'm there. Anybody else, you can, if you're not going to be in the US, you can just use another electrolyte powder to add to your water. Okay, so if you want to follow us on Instagram, I will have copies of those kit contents on our story and then in the highlights after it's gone. And if you want, you can shop all the vitamins in the kit in our Amazon store in the description below. Otherwise, I'm sure you can find them in most drugstores. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and happy drinking.